All right, girls, this one is going to be called 41 Blitz. This will be a very aggressive 1-2-2 zone. Kind of. I mean, it's situational. It'll look exactly like 41, except for, let's just say the ball's here at 1. She passes to 3. We'll shift over just like we normally would. Just like this. This girl wasn't going to be quite that far. She'll be more right there. And this girl will drop down just a hair. But if 3 passes the ball to 4, this is where we're going to blitz or trap the girl. So 1, well, we'll start with 5. The girl down here. She's going to just all out sprint with her hands up high, screaming and yelling. And then the girl that was guarding 3 will also follow, and we're going to trap the corner. At the same time, we're going to have this girl come and all like 3/4 deny. She should be coming from here, not from over here. But she'll come and she'll deny right here. And then the 1, we're going to send her all the way over, and she's going to deny 3. And then this girl in this area, she was here in the middle of the paint. She's going to come and she's going to stand right between 4. If 4 try to throw to 2, she could maybe pick it off. Or if she were to try to throw to 1, she could go and try to pick that off too. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to take away, we're trapping 4 here. We're trying to take away 3, take away 5, so that the only passes she has are to 1 or to 2, at which point we're hoping this girl here can go and pick it off. If they somehow get it back out, we'll just go right back into 41. And then if they go into this corner, we'll blitz. So if we say 41 blitz, that means that we are trapping the corners always, and we're going to deny everyone else if it does go into the corner, except for the girls on the weak side. Because we're hoping that this girl will just turn and chuck a crazy pass high up in the air, and somebody will go grab it, and then we're off to the races for a layup. So 41 blitz is the call, and that just means that we are going to trap the corners and deny.